Dr. Sally, what do we do? What do we do?
Did you try the whistle?
Whistle.
Please stop, guys. I meant the whistle app. It's the GPS around Tanya's collar. Come on, guys. We talked about that.
Genius.
Brilliant. Well, 6 years of cat college. What can I say? Oh, okay. Bye.
We have a signal. We've got a signal. Come on.
Let's go.
Percy, look! Your playmate is here. Oh, the dance of life.
Okay, I think she's here. Lenny, put down the map.
Ooh, more visitors.
Oh, okay. The only thing scarier than a cat lady is a bird lady.
Hello?
Hi, we're your neighbors. I'm Skip. This is my husband, Lenny. We're looking for our cat, Tanya.
Show her the picture. Oh.
Oh, you mean Oksana.
What are the odds?
We do yoga together.
Do you?
Oh, you just missed her.
Ugh, she's on the move. Do us a favor. Give her a card. If she comes back, call us.
Here you go. I design air filtration systems. Namaste.